Now I'm discussing about the how to check SEO score. So by writing for alt tag, anchor text, SEO title, how to check my SEO score. Lot of member will be confused. Which website tool we can use? So what are the tools we can use to check the SEO score? Here, Google prefer the one website is called smallseotools.com. We can check the blogger information, website, WordPress website. You can check the any website information checked by the smallseotools.com. This is checked by the SEO score. Title score, omega actors 70. Description will be 160. Keywords 25 words. We check the canonical form, duplicate values, and check the alt tags, header tags, and we check the webmaster activation, analytics activation, any redirections. See here, just scroll down smallseotools.com. Here the option call is SEO check score. See, just wait here. Website SEO score checker. Just click here. First you copy your website URL. Why? Because this previous we discussed about the title test, adding with the title tag, description and all. We'll check the report here. Now just go to here. Add your website along with the HTTP. Don't mistake the steps along with the HTTP. Now check. Check with the SEO. Every website score is important. SEO score. The status 200 OK. See here. Paused warnings and errors. Just come down. See here. Page title. Status 180 characters. What is the 65? See, once I take a refresh here. See here, how many? 180 characters. Out of 65 you can write, but they're going to wear 180 characters. Description, look here. 318 characters. How many characters will I accept? They're showing for 2 mark. Now here, what is that? Meta keywords. Google does not understand meta keywords right now. Unless it discuss also. Why? Because they stop the meta keywords. Now here, info. They're showing like this in search engines. Now the density. Gallery will be 3 times. Facility will be 3 times. Contact will be 3 times. Service will be 3 times. Swim will be using with the how many times? 3 times. Now here. Headings. 1 will be done. No H2. Robot app test will be done. XML sidebar will be done. Now here. Broken links. No broken links. Nothing but don't use the underscore. Your extension, don't use the underscore. If you use underscore, that is called error. So here, no underscore link. What is that? SEO friendly. Okay. What is that? Email alt tag. No missing for alt tag. They give the updated report. Not like that Urang, not like that iwebchecktier.com. iwebchk.com. They give the updated score. Smallseotools.com. See here. CSS. You have to intimate your developers. They're using the CSS format here. Where will be facing problem? You can send to this screenshot to send to the developers. Now, favicon done. Favicon nothing but our icon. Now here, HTML tags good. Now here, indexing tag checkers null good. So here, no follow tag checkers good. So page authority. Page authority nothing but your URL extension here. Oops, page authority for the website only for 1. Good have the page authority more than 20. So it's a bad. So domain authority 8.7. What's the ratio? 8 to 13. See how many seasons swim? Only for 8 characters. 9 to 10 is better. Up to 13 is good. 8 to 13. Here, HTML size. Now good. Here. Dot. HTML related. So clear? Where you facing problem, we can't change this option. We can't change this option also. Why? Because page authority and domain authority based on purchase by domain and page authority dependent by the URL extension. Services, gallery, Is all. See, redirection check. Without, with, that is called double three redirection. See, go to website. What is that? Double three redirection. Double three nothing but World Wide Web. They are facing problem here. The syntax sent to the developers is fixing by their website. They are using by the HTTP code. Is it clear? Yes. The code will be there, HTTP code. They add by developer your website. The error will be fixed by within a minute. Send the developers. Now you can send me this also by your developers. We are facing by CSS problems. So remaining all you can check by here. S2 tag your work. You have to give the one line will be S2 add by your website. Now is your 3 will be writing for your task. H1, S2, H3. My character will be 65. They asking by except how many? 180. Here 160. 318 characters. Check. You change your characters. But they accepted. They're showing for dot dot dot. They're showing how many characters? Only for 160 characters. Is it clear? This we check the SEO report. Now here. General SEO screenshots. Your website screenshot. What is that? Desktop, mobile, two versions. They're now showing for tablet. Now what is that? Keywords. My keywords. These are all my counts of the keyword. How many times I'm using this keyword? Number of times I'm using this one. You 5 times. Swim 4 times. Swimming 3 times. Lawyer 2 times like that. That's all I'm using with my keywords. Now Facebook. Common 0. Twitter 0. LinkedIn 0. Tumblr 2. Pinterest will be 34. These are all the social media sharings. Server security. This is server information. Advanced SEO. Page time. 25 seconds is good. Page size 0.0771 bytes. See, problem is that my title and description. You can descript up to 65 to 70 characters and description will be 160 characters. So clear? This is called a proper SEO score checked by small SEO tools. We check them. 5 options will be there. Main options. Robot and XML activation, alt, anchor text, and header tag optimization, keywords, and description and titles. Using with the small SEO tools.com. What is the option call is? Website SEO score checker.